11.3 Weighted Index Number. These are the learning outcome for this lesson. Weighted index number. Weighted index is an index that can show the importance of things to be measured. The indices that we will discuss are simple aggregate weighted price index as interaction and last year's price index, PAASCHE price index, last year's quantity index, PAASCHE quantity index. Simple aggregate weighted price index. The formula is given as index equal to total of W, where W is weight, times P1 over total of W times P0 times 100. P1 is price for current year, P0 is price for base year, and W is for weight. This is the interpretation for simple aggregate weighted price index. The weighted index number of the value of index shows that the price of items has increased or decreased by how many percent in current year compared to base year. Example 10. Puan Zaini made a type of cake with the following ingredients together with the cost price for the year 2003 and 2004. Find the weighted index number for the cost of baking the cake in year 2004 with 2003 as the base year. So 2003 is the base year and we need to find weighted index number. So the mass here is the weight. This is the formula for weighted index number, and total of W is mass times P1. P1 is from cost in year 2004. So mass times cost from 2004 over total of W times P0, total of weight times cost from 2003, and then times 100, we get 122.22. So the weighted index number of 122.22 shows that the price of ingredients has increased by 22.22% in year 2004 compared to year 2003. A. Last year's price index, a weighted aggregate price index where the quantity of the items used in the base year are used as weight year for the items. Calculation of the last year's index for year T is given by this formula, total of Q0 times P1, where the Q0 is the weight. This is the interpretation for last year's price index. B. PAASCHE price index, a weighted aggregate price index where quantities of the items used in the year under consideration is used as weight year of the items. Calculation of the PAASCHE index for year T is given by total of Q1 times P1, means quantities from current year is the weight. And this is the interpretation for PAASCHE price index. So for last year's price index, we use quantity from base year as weight, and for PAASCHE price index, we use quantity in current year as the weight. Example 11. Consider the following tables containing the data on airline tickets. So we have 1990 and 2000 price and quantities. By taking year 1990 as a base year, calculate last year's price index for year 2000 and B. PAASCHE price index for year 2000. So last year's price index takes quantity from base year as weight. So quantity from 1990 times price from 2000 over quantity from 1990 times price from 1990 times 100, we get index equal to 115.93. Therefore, last year's price index of 115.93 shows that the price of airline tickets has increased by 15.93% in year 2000 compared to year 1999. PAASCHE price index takes quantity from current year as weight. So quantity from year 2000 times price from year 2000 as numerator, and quantity from year 2000 times price from year 1990 as denominator. Times 100, we get index of 115. So PAASCHE price index of 115 shows that the price of airline tickets has increased by 15% in year 2000 compared to year 1999.